place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it. Crime agents.
I'm represent for Lionfoot TV, Wr0ng. Tell them on the strongest soldiers, get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's start doggone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless the love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lioness. Speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. We say give thanks to life on the 26th of May. Give thanks to see another day. Life are the greatest gift. Make sure you post it and cherish it soon. Yes, man, coming up in this vlog, I don't know, it's a very interesting one. Relating to Jamaica Young Police. You see me? Yeah. AKA Sir Porter. Mr. Porter, what they want to call him. You see me? But yeah. He did a vlog the other day titled The Reason Why Cool Breeze, Muscle, Oney, Police Chris, Dirt, Rifle, and Money British. Now that is a very interesting vlog. And I mean very can be very damning, discriminating, you know what I mean, yeah, informative for people who out there wonder and want to hear the truth of Rifle and, you know, Money British, dirty things, zine. So we have some information, some files, for sure, some Voicenote, for sure. It's based on what Sir Porter, well, Jamaica Young Police did in his vlog. You know what I mean? Is the opposite what he said in the conversation. Apparently a three-way conversation was recorded after the vlog did. Someone who know Porter and seen reach out to him, and Cool Breeze was on the conversation on the line as well, and the conversation was recorded. You know, I have that recorded and I'm making the earwag one. So it's totally opposite from Jamaica Young Police I say in his vlog, opposite to what he's saying on the phone with the three men. Jamaica Young Police, Cool Breeze, and the other individual. You see me? But anyway, before I make on here tonight, I don't know, maybe I'm going to please go check out my new EP just released, Welcome to Kingston. See? Then I'm making here while I go on. Alright? Big up on yourself.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobay, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom, I represent.
Yes, man, welcome to Kingston, available on all digital platforms. It was released on the 22nd of this month. Yes, 6 songs upon it, 6 reggae songs, see? Yeah, man, we are singing about crime and violence and everything. So me myself, stop. Yeah, man, so back to the main topic now. So after Jamaica Young Police did his vlog about Money British and Rifle, and one of them were mentioned, see me? Someone who know him reached out to him and said, yo, the information that we asked about Breeze is wrong, not right. You see me? A wrong message I sent about the man, because Breeze is a nice person. I can vouch for Breeze for know, say, yo, when me know Breeze, me know him as a humble person, not a violent person. A man who always show love and respect. You see me? So the other three-way conversation, Breeze was on the line as well, and he agreed. Jamaica Young Police himself agreed that he don't know Breeze as a bad person, a violent person who support crime and violence or fund crime and violence. So I don't understand why the title, he put out the title there. You see me, the wrong thing. So anyway, wanna listen, I hear what I go on.
And you know, I could see what you say and thing, you know. So Breeze, you know, me Breeze make him deal with this and thing and make people know, you understand? I can vote for Breeze in terms of when they come on to violence. There's no chanting of anything. Not even the youth, them and all them thing. I have never heard of Breeze. By
him not support the foolishness, not at all.
I tell you them thing them. I cannot put my there's nobody will ever during all of my time and them thing there where a man can say, boy, Breeze this or Breeze that. I don't think you know Breeze do them thing there. Breeze is a man. I know say all them little pouch where you see people are walking. over them shoulder. The first man, see with that at Jamaica,
A breeze. Alright.
yeah, man.
Yes,
It's the first one from
yes,
in the 90s and them thing there.
You have some man.
Breeze used to walk with the money, you know, you understand what I'm saying? Nobody not trouble breeze. The only thing when your breeze comes was the breeze and Germany appear music.
I just music. Alright. You have a set away. You have a set away like me, Fowl, Breeze, Life. When it come on to the gunman them,
No, I know our world that at all. That's not our world.
no at all. And everybody just knows say we that and just leave we to that. That's why Fowl dead so affecting to people because him not supposed to dead like that. That kind of him life.
No, man, I know the man well. Sad.
No, I breeze nephew and them thing there. Him with him little idiot self and them thing there. But
Thank you
you know,
very
it's
much.
because we know all get on one and them thing there. One little idiot with yourself, one little
True.
stupid thing.
And it's still out of control. Yes.
And the best way to deal with this is a count and make the person make him count it and them thing there. Because breeze, I can say privately and publicly. I don't know the I don't know him as a violent person or a person who support violence, and I cannot say, even from an intelligence point of view, have you associate yourself involved in any destruction of anybody's life in a capital?
Criminality is not my thing, brother. And not my world, that brother. I have a tune out, you know, so one singer say him alone in the dark room. My room is in the light. Yeah, dark room and not to live in, and me that brother.
So I call you on them thing there, and you not talk to the man.
Yeah, me and you have to talk differently in a porter, but right now me I love you give Breeze a talk and then when you have
anything I'm saying private, we can't say public.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, Freeze, I call you that. Call me right now on them thing that will deal with this thing. I have to clarify all if I think. You know why you name, that's why you say them thing that. Yeah, because you know sometimes when people hear the thing at first and them thing that people normally run with it. They say if you don't have the I tell you something, even Rocky still doing it. Even Rocky say why. Even Rocky say say same thing, say why I just bad mind Breeze. Maybe a bad mind.
I just bad mind him, but
you understand, and it have nothing to do with and how him getting man. You understand?
I bless him, man. Supporter, how we are going to link and will you appreciatively say something on your platform just to make people realize it, you know, in principle.
Yeah, but same thing that me would just say privately. Me can't anything I'm say privately, I say it publicly. So if I bring you on anything there, first thing we are gonna talk about you and them thing. First thing I talk about are you what me know about you and them thing there. There's no scandal when me can't say boy. You're someone involved in any killing anybody or any violence or crime. Because I talk about what me I think I talk about the police. I enjoy me a police and them thing. They can't burn in my community too. You understand?
Thanks for that.
Yeah. So we talk about that and them thing. I can't say nothing bad about you, you know, Bruce.
Give time.
If you don't say I like what I said, I just speak my way. Your nephew say.
Thank you very much. Okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So stick up in there, some viewers and subscribers and the whole world. Yes, so clearly you can hear the conversation. 3 person. Jamaica Young Police, Breeze, who is rifle, I believe, one of British friend, best friend, Zine, and the unknown person. The unknown person is the one who know Jamaica Police. That's how the link up make the 3-way call. And you can clearly hear Jamaica Young Police and say, you can vouch for Breeze that is not a violent person, not a man of crime who support crime and violence or fund crime and violence or cause anyone demise. You clearly hear Jamaica Young Police have said that. So we're inputting at the title, which you see on the screen now, Zine. I think that's utterly misleading and wrong because what you put on the title is like a clickbait thing. Because what's in the video is a different thing, and you also hear Jamaica Young Police say he don't know Breeze as a violent person, a man of war. It's just based on what his nephew said. And you don't know Breeze nephew are the Rasta man who do that video and a voice note. You see me going up again, so I follow him. See, and it's all over Jamaica Young Police page. You can go over there go watch it. See, but let's carry on.
Yeah, but Breeze,
Yes.
don't talk on them things. So call me know on them things with you understand?
So, what number should I call you?
The same number, man.
The number on the platform.
No. Yeah, man.
Okay.
We deal with this and them thing.
So should I call you now?
Yeah, do that now.
All right.
Right now, man. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah. So
Okay.
we start out the thing and we'll talk later. We have to talk about it, yeah.
Yeah, man. So when you hang up, I call you back straight on the other number.
Call right now. I'm going to hang up right now.
Yes, I will.
Alright.
Blessed Lord.
Yes, man, so that's the end of the 3-way conversation. It was recorded, and you know what I mean, you clearly on the ear from yourself, on the ear, Jamaica Young Police, I say, yeah, no, Breeze, you know, is not a violent person, I don't know him as that person. Zine, so, we write the title, the reason why Cool Breeze, Muscle, Lion, Police, Chris Killed, Fowl, and Wr0ng British. Lionfoot no know, but you know, Lionfoot is a man of peace and justification, and me wouldn't like somebody write this about me, and me know say I'm not true, you see me? And then when a different thing, they must say something different. So behind closed door, he must say he don't know Breeze as that person, but yes, still on the headline and the title, which is a different thing, which very degrading and you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean, defaming, you know what I mean, and right now it's stress out in family and in kids them, and me would feel stressed out too, because them thing we see how social media run can cost your life, we see how Jamaica run can cost your life, you know what I mean? So we have to be careful what we're putting out there, and we have to do research properly. You see what I say? But I don't know where Jamaica Young Police getting information from or them thing about. Me just highlight, you know, for sure, say Jamaica Young Police had a conversation with the 3 man them, and big up to that unknown individual that, you know, because him sound like a peacekeeper, like myself, the man of peace. And I would do the same thing too. If me did know Jamaica Young Police and me know say boy, that way I say about that man there, no right, you know, wrong information, I would have done the same thing to reach out, which is what he did, set up the 3-way thing. And so me I say, yeah man, so only can decide my viewers and subscribers, but anyway, it's like they would agree, say certain things are going to change up the title, are going to take down, or the video are going to take down. That didn't happen, and two messages were sent back and forth. The name them there, but I'm going to read out the message and Oney can assume and decide. So, yeah. Yale family. Spoke to Breeze for the 2nd time today, and he is very distraught. I thought you would have remedied that issue, seeing as we know how Jamaica is. This is a man's life we are speaking about. When we spoke, you said you don't know of him in that light. Were you being truthful? I have never heard him associated with anything of that sort. Do you intend to remove that piece of content or replace it with a reduction? Every day you delay is a day too long. Give me a link. Yeah man, so whosoever wrote this letter, you know, they can tell us that they know Jamaica Young Police, and they are also a peacekeeper, you know what I mean, like myself, yeah. And basically, them agree, as I hear the 3-way conversation, Jamaica Young Police, I say, them don't know Breeze as that person, any bad of any sort, you know what I mean. So, to have the title out there saying, why Cool Breeze, Muscle, Lion, Police, Chris, etc., Dirt, Rifle, and Wr0ng British. I think that's very damaging and misleading to the public, because people don't know how to believe, and as we hear the man say, we are playing with a man's life, and me myself would have feel upset, depressed, you know what I mean, distraught, you know, worrying. My families, them friends, everybody will reach out to me. Did I just be derailing and depressing? And me know say I saw Breeze feel right, I know. And as I say, I know Breeze as a very kind person, quiet. Them man don't even like social media. You see me? So if you see this pop up like that now, you know what I mean? But they don't know Lionfoot. I try to speak things neutral and unbiased. As I say, if it was me like Breeze, I would have feel away. But anyway, Jamaica Young Police replied to that message, and by saying this, I don't know if it is him himself write this, or but it sounds like somebody wrote it. Maybe I'm secretary or is advisor, or you know, yes, his co-worker. So this is what the reply said. We don't like your text message and its contents. We don't tell lies, period, on or for anyone, and never were any promises. Breeze did an interview and Sir Porter obliged by injecting his character, reputation, and credibility by stating facts about Breeze. The promise is to show the man in a different perspective. Your tone is shocking and you don't know Sir Porter. Questioning the man's character and credibility is unfortunate, and I know he won't take it kindly. You may think that you know the man, but you don't. So that was the response from the reply from Jamaica Young Police representative or secretary or whosoever responded. That's what I say, but when I say in the 3-way conversation, yeah, Jamaica Young Police, I say, yeah, man, we don't know Breeze of that sort of person. I don't know you as that, so we're going to correct the thing and blah, blah, blah. But yes, still the headlining is still out there saying the reason why Cool Breeze and etc. Dirt, Rifle and Wally British. Very misleading, you know what I mean? To me, it's very misleading. And it's no fear, you know what I mean? You say one thing and then a next thing out there. So some of you viewers and subscribers, you can see the video is still out there on Jamaica Young Police channel, and you can go watch it. See me, and it hasn't been amended, it hasn't been edited, you know what I mean, nor corrected, you know what I mean. And I think Breeze now is still taking a toll on him and his family them. You see me, so he sent out a voice note to address the nation and the world. See, so I'm going to hear it. That's what I say. I only can listen and then leave a comment in the comment section. But if I was in Breeze's shoes, I would have to do the same thing to defend my rights and my 3 points and my family them. Whereas me know say me and the man that when accuse me of dirting a brother, real friend. You see me, so as I say, I don't know where Jamaica Young Police getting information from, but social media, we have to be careful, you know, how we are say things or bring across things because it can cost people life, you know. Even me myself too, I have to tell myself that, you know. Even though I'm music, I say straight, you know, but you know, more time we ever touch topic like these to help save a life and correct the situation. You see me, and try to get the good thing, the right thing out of the wrong thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So here we Breeze, I say, right now. Yeah, man.
Yes, social media world, this is Breeze. And I repeat again, this is Breeze. Here to clarify a post that somebody or named Porter will run a post or a platform on social media with my name claiming so me kill my friend them Oney and Fowl. Listen up. This is a straight up lie. I don't know where him get him information from, or who convince him, or how him convince himself. So me kill my friend them. Listen, social media world. Enough people out in the world know them as Fowl or Father Fowl, and who know Oney know him as Oney or Oney British. To me, one of them name Homeboy, and one name Wr0ng. Cause when me take up my phone and call any one of them, this is how me call and them me call them. Me say Wr0ng Homeboy, that is Fowl. Our reason now we have a conversation. And when me take up the phone and call one, me say Wr0ng Wr0ng, or me say Wr0ng Slinger's brother. Our whole of meds. The 2 man them, I'm a friend. 4 years ago, my nephew disrespect my friend them in our post. Where man him look a friend there, I chat disrespectful things about my friend them. When me hear it, me deal with it in my own way. Disappointed, and still is disappointed about a post that my nephew make. Learn from that. You know, the young people them call me up, daddy, granddaughter, grandson call me up, granddad, niece call me up, uncle. Somebody post something with your name on it, say you destroy your friend them. When I listen to the thing, I know I can't believe my ears. The two people them where this man I put my name with social media world, I don't know them. Never seen them. Never had a conversation with them. Not a telephone call. If I see them out the road right now, I don't even know what them look like. When I see it, I link my friends. We know this Porter. Funny enough, I don't even know say them know Porter. Them make me know say them know him. Up close and personal. And them call him, put me on three-way call them a reason. And the man agree and say him understand. Next one I'm a friend, call him, we know him Porter, reason with him on a three-way call. I thought the man would do the right and honorable thing and take the post down. It has been weeks now. The post is still there. Views still going up. This man a ramp with me 3 point. You think Cockburn pen I eat that? You think the youth them out on the wall tam down in Island them I eat that? We love Oney, I love Fowl. The streets have the biggest ears and the loudest mouth. People who know me know say them that I'm a friend them. I mean that never, not on this planet, this life, nor the next, think for arm of strong a year in them head. That is not the kind of relationship that we had. So I don't know where this brother here when he Porter come from, this little guy. With him fabrication, absolutely no journalistic knowledge or experience. Running with my name in social media world. Claiming that I kill my friends. Now listen up. These were my friends. I am not here to try and distant or detach or disassociate myself with my friends. I am just here to make it clear that this guy, this brother here, we don't know where him come from with film thought process, put my name out there. And I tell people, say, me kill my friend. With two people name on social media. When I know, I don't know the people them. When put my name with. So, social media world, do the maths for yourself. This man is of no integrity. When I get him on a three-way call, you should hear the beautiful things that he's saying about me on the phone, which is properly recorded because the young people them clever and them record it for social media world to listen to it. This is the same person who posts things with my name claiming that I kill my friends and showering me with accolades when I get him on a three-way call with people that know him and who know me and know my integrity. This guy is trying to disrespect my integrity and my credibility. So I don't know who you think you are, Porter, to be running with my name like this. If you had contacted people that were close to Oney and Fowl and asked about me, who I am, and did your research properly, you would never put out a post like that. So if you want to do likes on social media to create hate towards my name, just try and know a Cockburn pen on the streets and the gullies and the garrisons and not eat that. Because the street have the biggest ears and the loudest mouth. Because people are whisper it and I tell them one another, say, Breeze not have nothing to do with it. People know. Some don't know how you don't know. Well, make me make you know. And the people them out there, you are try convince them man, they I'm a friend them. And the most important, one of the seriousest thing you need to know is a strong possibility that you may see me in court. Don't take me lightly. You understand? I ramp with my 3-point, brother. Fix up and get off of social media. You know, you said on your platform that if anyone can verify the information that you put out, they should call, which is what I did on more than one occasion, not on my own, with people who know you and thought you respected them. So that means the people them when you make me talk to you and them think you did respect them or rate them. Them realize that you're a chameleon. This lizard that show one color here when the sun is bright, and when the sun gone down, they show another color. That's you. Leave my name out of my friends' demise. It is very tragic the way all my friends end up. We, the friends and family of Homeboy and Oney, is still grieving. Allow us to grieve and remember them. Yes. Oney still use the Benz and a trick them because them immortalized in a music. And last year or last week, Fowl still a stick them. Leave the man them name alone. If you really want to give them justice, do some proper journalistic work and stop try turn enemies, friends into enemies. You will never do that where I am concerned. I see you in court. Strong possibility.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so that's the voice of Breeze himself. And I mean the brother, the close friend of Oney British and Fowl, speaking in his own defense, letting the world know that he has nothing to do with their demise, based on what Jamaica Young Police has said. It's all lies, defamation of character. See, he also distanced himself from his nephew because him say his nephew disrespected by saying bad things about Fowl and Oney British, and when he found out, he was very upset and hurt about it. Zine say him nephew pass in place. Zine, if I was in Breeze's shoes, I would have feel the same way and I would have stand up for my right, because worse me know say man accuse me of what I don't know of what, and last thing I would do is to hurt my brother them. And that's what Breeze is being accused of. So you must say, yo, Jamaica Young Police, we got to do proper research and should have reached out to proper resource or close ones and get him facts right before him put the thing. But in the 3-way conversation, you could clearly hear myself know Breeze as that sort of person. And Breeze name never call up and nothing like them think they are man of war or sponsor war saying. But the title where you can see on the screen, the reason why Cool Breeze and the rest of the man them kill Fowl, dirt Fowl and Oney British is very misleading and can be harmful and hurting. So Lionfoot are the man of peace, and we're not there for take side or pick no war, but we not instigate nothing. We put everything out there, Uno can decide, but Lionfoot love to give his opinion. And in my observation, this is misleading still, because in the 3-way conversation, me and hear one thing, the 3 men we are reasoned upon good terms and agreement, but the title is a different thing and it's still up there. You see me? And it's the really depressing, it's a drain out the family them of Breeze. So let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Is it? Yeah man, I present the content and you can leave a comment in the comment section. Then big up yourself, everybody, all the love, and please don't forget to go and check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston. 6 nice songs up on it. Saying, yeah man, Lionfoot and I'm out. Not another Wr0ng, I'm out.